Breaking news, video shows that Turkish Coast Guard is trying to overturn Syrian refugees' boat on the sea and bring to capsize. Heartbreaking video shows there is women and children on the boat and screaming for help in fear for their lives. This is the Turkish regime in action and how they treat refugees. The EU are going to pay Turkey billions of euros to deal with the refugee crisis? We can't confirm in this moment what exactly happened to these refugees after Turkish Guard was trying to capsize the boat to the sea, but unconfirmed report says, Greek coast's lifeguard rescued these people. The incident happened on the sea between Turkey and Greece at 12:41 p.m. on Saturday 12th of March 2016. Reported by Michelle Harding for RH News Agency. Here is the full video.
ان شاء الله خلاص راحوا